1, 2. Meet me outside, meet me outside. Bitcoin, crypto, don't go for a ride. If you're gonna get your surfboard, get it tied. Oh, 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 oh. Wall Street Pete, sick dough, crypto. Please don't flip dough. I'm not always right though. I'm not a financial advisor, but just a gentleman wearing a visor. Yeah, it's time to hustle. It's just so simple, I'ma solve this puzzle. And if you didn't know that you're feeling puzzled, it's TA, baby, come on right over. Got one job, I got 1, 2, 3. I'll take 4 more just for me. I'm buying crypto, I'm dollar cost averaging, don't you know? You buy the dip, you have a sip, take a rip. Call me captain of this shit. I don't give a fuck, my name is Skip. XRP, Cardano, Ethereum. Take that shit right down to the cilium. I'ma put my fist through this shit. We're going to the moon and we're going soon. Alright, the name is Wall Street Pete. Crypto in crypto. I thought you'd know. We on YouTube. You wake up in the morning, crack of dawn at Wall Street Pete. We talk about live TA. We talk about paying our bills and staying alive and doing the shit and making it great. Let me say, I'm tired of struggling every day. About to make some changes. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto every day? We talk about this crypto news possible, bringing you alive each day if we could, breaking down the crypto space, technical analysis, and all this fun stuff. How are we doing this morning? I hope everyone's having a fantastic morning. It is Thursday, so we're over the hump day right now. Hit that like, subscribe, come on over, hit that bell, all notification. Don't have to tell you guys, all-time high subscribers. I thank you guys so much. Like I say, past couple lives, this channel is nothing without you guys. I appreciate you very much. So hit the like button. Continue to comment. What do you guys want to talk about next? This morning, I want to talk about a little thing here. Remember the last bull run? Now, some of you are new, some of you don't remember. But seriously, if you do remember, every Sunday almost was a living nightmare of crypto. We were in the bull run, we're going up, and it just seemed like every Sunday, right? The big whales, the big investors, they just knew how to make money. And it was selling every Sunday, and then all of a sudden, put a recipe for that wonderful Fed meeting on December 13th, which happened to be yesterday. And all of a sudden, Wednesday is a rally. So if you want to make money in this crypto space, trading leverage, or just spot buying, let's use common sense, guys. Buy on Tuesday. Buy on Wednesday. Guess what? We fucking sell on Sunday. It doesn't get any easier than this. This is the recipe of a bull market. Now, this doesn't always work, because if this always worked, we would figure it out by now. But if you'd noticed, let's be real. Check it out. 2 years. 2 years. The last 2 years, 3 years. We've gone up. Every time it was a Wednesday Fed meeting, forget it. It was a pop-up. It was a rally automatic. If it was a Sunday, well, you knew. Get your shorts on. This is Sunday night. I'm just letting you know that this is starting to happen again. I'm pretty excited. And if you watched the very last video, what was the last video we did? The best crypto show in the world. We talked about a cup and handle on Jasmine. I don't even want to play it. Getting crazy now. But we talked about a cup and handle on Jasmine. And we talked about how the cup and handle here would come. I mean, this is the best crypto show in the world. Come up here, come down. There would be another cup and handle, most likely inside the cup and handle. We did get our run for our money. We got a double bottom here. And that's what happened. Inverted head, it turned into here. Creating new higher lows. What happened to Jasmine? Jasmine went a little bit higher than we said. We said our target was somewhere around here. Well, our target was right in here. Guess what's happening, guys? We're hitting major resistance in that area we called. Beautiful TA. So look for the 62 to hit support here, and then most likely another leg up. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. Just a gentleman twice as nice. But I do see something like that happening. J like subs. As you can see, this is a big cup and handle in itself. So does it take too many of you to understand what happens? Cup and handles inside cup and handles couldn't be any more bullish than they already are. We're going to go over some crypto news this morning. Please, if you've yet to hit the like button, now is the time. But if you see the beautiful cup and handle, it doesn't get any prettier than this. Coming all the way in here. You can see exactly what we're doing. So it's beautiful. Cup and handle. Very bullish pattern. So good morning, Viral. Nice to have you in the super chat. Good morning, Sunny M. Nice to have you in the super chat. So that's the Jasmine that's the breakdown for Jasmine. It seems like we're getting a lot of a crypto adoption, though. We really are. All right. I wish I can get some of these articles out here. It pisses me off. Turkey's banking giants go big on crypto as legislation looms. This is exciting, guys.
Crypto is getting huge. Now, Turkey ranks among the top 20 countries in Chainalysis Global Crypto Adoption Index of 2023. All right, so the country also hosted Ethereum conference, DevConnect this year. So pretty excited to hear about these things. It's not just the U.S. brand. It's not just the outside of the U.S. It seems to be the world. And Polygon gets one more lift up. Polygon now has Trump's $99 NFTs, new ones, yesterday.
I looked as good as I do on those cards. That I can tell you. They give me muscles.
They need to give you hair, buddy.
Believe me, I don't have them.
So once again, the Polygon Matic wins again. Gary, what's going on, Gary? Nice to have you in the super chat. But Mr. Trump once again gets into the NFT cards. I actually heard these NFT cards are fucking dying. I heard he launched those cards and they're getting their asses kicked. Dow surges, crossing 37,000 for the first time as Fed signals 3 rate cuts in 2024. Found out yesterday we're going to cut some rates here. Good morning, Pete. Do you know if you could stake Jasmine anywhere? I love my compounding interest stake. I've been staking the shit out of Cardano, and let me tell you right now, I've never been happier. Holy fuggle, it's going down, Bobby Brown. That sucks. We've been trading a hard 66 cents right now. Pretty good 66 cents. My portfolio for Cardano, all of my staking is kicking ass, Seabass. I'm pretty excited about that. But to see this currently right now sucks. But hey, this is part of the market. So pay attention to what's going on. I believe this is going back up. What is happening is Cardano is getting a little bit of a retracement. Guys, these things can't go up forever. I mean, look at the daily. Look what Cardano's been doing on the daily. It's been daily kicking ass. So you got to pay attention. A little oversold here, a little overbought here, excuse me. We got a little dip down. We'll get another one. I can see it crossing right here. A lot of you don't know how it works, but see this cross? Once this line, this top line up here, crosses the other line through, it will give me a selling signal. Most likely we will get either a little pullback, a lot of pullback. It depends on what happened with the price, the volume, and things of that nature. I mean, total crypto market cap this morning is 1.62. So getting back to the 1.65 trillion market cap was pretty strong. I don't think you can stake single, guys. So getting to your question late answering, I don't think you could stake Jasmine, because if you could, I would be a staking animal. So looking at that right now. But one of the biggest investments right now, everybody's in right now. We got a lot of viewers watching. This may be your next coin to $1 million. I'm just letting you know. So what happened? And it's coming up right now. It's related to Dogecoin. Dogecoin price prediction as Avalanche takes Doge in crypto rankings. End of meme coins. It's not the end of the meme coins, but it could be the end of Dogecoin. You got to pay attention. Avalanche is kicking ass. It's taking over in market cap. This is a sign that the last bull market, well, Dogecoin did better than Avalanche. I hate to tell you, but this is going to be the next bull run where all these whales are very educated. And they're not going to go into these shit coins. They don't like the risk. So a lot of these riskier assets, and I'm not talking about Avalanche, I'm talking about Dogecoin, are going to see less action. I'm telling you right now, you can get prepared. If it does pop up, it's because a bunch of them are getting involved. So this could be the end of an era. It's pretty exciting to see things changing. It really is. And it's also sad at the same time. But will Elon Musk, and this is it, pay attention, ladies and gentlemen, hit that like and subscribe. Cybertruck just came out on MEX a couple days ago, 0.000000005. Okay, Cybertruck accept Dogecoin. Well, and this new altcoin? So pay attention, definitely to mention, this is what Wall Street Pete does for you. But Dogecoin mentioned in Tesla Cybertruck page. They're talking about using this Cybertruck, and when I tell you it's a fraction of a penny, it's a fraction of a penny. You can see here, notably, the Tesla Cybertruck checkout page code has mentioned Dogecoin more than 50 times. Interestingly, Dogecoin was the only cryptocurrency to find a mention in the Tesla code base. Now, we have Cybertruck, so you like to do a little bit of some homework, let's check it out. I could do that for you. Let's have some fun, right? We do this on the channel. And Cybertruck. So let's see where we can go. And here it is, Cybertruck. And you'll get an idea of what it is, what's going on. And look at those zeros. Holy shenanigans. So currently right now, it is dipping lower lows. You can see what's happening. And Cybertruck is taking a nightmare of a fall. This could be the time to buy. This could be time to get killed. I don't know. Like I said, I can't do TA on this particular asset. But looking for what I'm seeing right now, in the last day, it's down 10%. If I were to get into something, I'd put like $100, $200, just to see what it would do. And you know what? I would 100% say, kiss this $200 goodbye. But if it turns into 10,000, 100,000, I may be really excited. So there is something going on with this particular asset. I want you to understand that. There's a line cross up here. Excuse me. We've pumped about as much as we did above it as we did below it. So it looks like some manipulation is coming into here. There's a huge sell-off for this particular asset, Cybertruck. I'm excited to see where it goes heading further, but that's just for another day. But please pay attention to it if you'd like to. Coinbase takes global center stage with spot trading far beyond America. Well, we were trading about $30 the Coinbase. Now it's up to about $140 the particular stock. It's kind of exciting to watch it grow. So we're excited to announce the next phase of our Coinbase International Exchange expansion, the launch of non-U.S. spot markets for eligible customers. So Coinbase is getting bigger. Not a surprise to me. I'm excited to hear about the news. Will Elon Musk add that to the mix? I'm not sure. I'm excited to find out if he does. If you live in the U.S., though, how much household income is considered upper class in 2023? That's a great question. I actually thought this would be a fantastic article for some of you to read. And I was very interested to hear about the article. In the U.S., for example, the median household income stands at $75,000, according to Census Bureau. Well, household greatly surpassing this amount, typically around $250,000, we're talking about a household income, or more, are often considered the upper class. Could you imagine? I remember when $100,000 was one of those particular adjectives where, hey, I'm considered wealthy, I'm considered in the upper class. It is now $250,000 a year. You have to make almost $250,000 a year as a household in order to be considered upper class today. That should be very sound alarming. That definitely should sound some type of alarm to me, because that's worrisome, guys. So let's just pay attention, definitely to mention what is going on in the crypto space, keeping you up to date every single morning, every single day. So what's been going on, ladies and gentlemen? Well, Bitcoin has been doing particularly what we thought. Now, we're not out of the woods yet, because I got this particular chart that I made for you guys, and I think I did it on the 4-hourly. There it is. And what I think could happen to the crypto price here is concerning. I think there's a right shoulder here, and it looks like we finally have hit some type of resistance here. See what happens. We got that nice relief rally. Looks pretty nice, but now we're getting this little bit of a down spout. You see that? Upward head and shoulders pattern. I'm wondering now if we're going to create this downward spike left shoulder and then create an inverted head somewhere around that 38,500 for Bitcoin. If this does happen, ladies and gentlemen, this will be the correction that we needed to come back down. I really don't think we've gotten it yet. Excuse me. I think we could have. You can see the major support on this 4-hourly wick here. So could be huge resistance at the 41,400, just about for Bitcoin. But if we do break down that support that we currently do have strong at 40,500, I would like to say if this 40,500 price does break down, ladies and gentlemen, we are in deep doo-doo for Bitcoin. So be careful. Why it's important to always take profits. How I always say that's very important. Do you think we will ever see a sub 30K BTC? I don't think we'll see that. There's a chance. What I think we see is 38,500. I strongly believe that is where we retest the old resistance into support now. Before this liftoff, do you remember what price we were at before this liftoff? If you remember this liftoff, we were having a lot of trouble at 38,500. This was particularly on December 1st. Now, we're only 2 weeks in, and look at the price. 2 weeks in, ladies and gentlemen. December 1st, we're 2 weeks in, and this price has rallied significantly. So it's kind of exciting to see it. Let me remove some of the shit so we can really see what's happening here. But since December 1st, we have gone up and we have gone down. Now, if you pay attention, definitely to mention on what we've been doing since then, Fibonacci sequence, of course. Why would we do it any other way? I said it in a funny way. Sorry. So what I want to show you from this particular move here is Bitcoin usually pulls back in a 50% pullback. That is considered a very bullish move in the bull market. Guys, look what's happening. We actually exceeded a little lower. We're getting to the 61.8. This is concerning. We are getting double top M's. We have broken the 50, which tells me that there's a chance that we can continue to keep falling. So I am not convinced that we are going back up. Why is this? I just said it. It's very important to get a 50% bounce. If you told me that we bounced off here, off this candle, and we immediately started going up, going through here, it's gone. We're going to 50K. You have to pay attention to these moves. What is really happening, and I just want you to see it, we're getting double top M's. There's nothing I can do about it. Nothing I can do about it, but that's what we are receiving right now. So currently right now, getting double top M patterns. We broke it there. Are we going to continue, or are we going to get another M? We could retest the 40,500. It's very ideal. It's very possible. Could bounce right off there and be gone. That's what we're looking at. So we only have 2 weeks left until the new year. And then Christmas is coming, obviously, in about 10 days as well. So we have to pay attention to all of these certain things for the crypto space. If you're new to the space, please dollar cost average in, dollar cost average out, as that is usually the best method. But I am still seeing a 38,500 for Bitcoin. I think that is the bottom. Now, what is the highest price I believe we could be? This is the highest, this is the lowest, and we're going to head out after that. I believe anywhere from 47,000 to 48,000 Bitcoin could obtain a price level at a peak here for the next 2 weeks. If we do not receive any of those magical moments, I'm just preparing you. I'm not a Houdini. Houdini, that's someone who disappears. I am not Nostradamus, okay? I cannot predict exactly what's going to happen, but I can prepare you. I can sure help prepare you. That's what technical analysis does. So inverted head possible to 38,500. If we receive a huge bounce off there, you better bet your ass it's time to long. But right now, currently, I'm getting some bearish momentum. If we don't hold the 40,652, got to pay close attention. There's a daily candle helping you with this. If the daily candle, as I clean it up here, you can see one daily, another candle. You can't barely see it, but here's another one. And here is the red one. If we can hold that 40,600, you bet your ass you're going to be seeing 38,500. So Wall Street, Sigdo, and crypto. I wonder if Cybertruck is going to be in the future. Maybe it is. Maybe this is how he makes a lot of money. I want you to understand. Why would Elon Musk use Dogecoin? Why would he use something already established, already something that blew through the roof? Think about this for a second. This man is a very intelligent man. He knows how to make lots of money. He's very wealthy. He knows how to make money on top of money. Cybertruck, guys. I fucking want one of those trucks, okay? Make fun of me. Say whatever you want. We're all entitled to our own opinion. I love that truck. That fucking truck is sick looking. It literally looks like something into the future. If you have not seen what the Tesla Cybertruck looks like yet, I suggest you check it out. I think it's worth like $150,000. That truck looks like it's ready to go to war, okay? And on another note, though, it's powerful, it's fast. And Cybertruck, go look at the price. I just showed it to you. It's tanking. I would not be surprised if Mr. Elon Musk himself, right this very second, is buying this shit up in that particular asset. So, not financial advice. This is Gentleman Twice as Nice. Keep your eyes and ears peeled of what's going on in this crypto space. Anything could be happening. I'm over here for you. You hit that like button. We're working harder than an ugly stripper for you. We're trying to pay attention. Follow the people you like in the crypto space. Do your own homework. Tokenomics, macro. All these things are very important. We talk about this all the time. So, please, be very careful trading in this crypto space. Every day we come to you with a live trying to keep you up to date. Not always correct, but we do a great job here. So if you are watching, you are not one of those subscribers, I suggest you hit that bell on notification and become a subscriber today. Stop fooling around, because when we go live and I say emergency, you may want to watch this video. You may want to know what is going on with crypto. It's very important. So it's your money, not mine. I don't trade it. It's up to you. And I'll tell you right now, if your household and you're in America and you're not making $250,000 a year, you better start setting some goals, because I'll tell you right now, I woke up this morning and I checked my household and we are not making $250,000 a year. But guess what? 2024, that is my goal. You know why? Because I just said it. Have a great day, everyone. Wall Street, Sigdo, and crypto. I hope you hit that like, subscribe, hit the comment button. Let me know you're here. What crypto asset would you like to hear about next? We can do it. We will do it. You just got to subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, all notification, and like. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and be careful in this crazy crypto space.